Here it is. Here we go, guys.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has just activated the emergency alert system as a test. The warning alarms on weather radio stations WXM 52, WWG 44, WNG 579,
Hi, guys. Here we go.
KJY 81, WWG 23, WXM 54, WXM 56, KWN 60, and WNG 664 have also been activated as a test. During potentially hazardous weather situations, broadcasters and officials participating in the emergency alert system and those with specially built weather radio receivers are automatically notified of the hazard by the preceding digital code and warning alarm. Tests with the digital code and warning alarm are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 and noon. If hazardous weather threatens near the normal test time, the test is postponed to the first good weather day. The digital code and warning alarm will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting South Central and Southeast Colorado. For more information of our 9 transmitters,
Sorry, guys.
go to our website, weather.gov/PUB, and under local information, select NOAA Weather Radio page. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to normal broadcasting. The extended forecast for Colorado Springs and vicinity.
Hey, guys. Just a test. I thought it was not gonna go on.